Hey friends, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this super easy golden eye look which is inspired for the holidays. And the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I always do this before I go in with any eyeshadow, and the one I always use is by MAC Cosmetics. It's called the Soft Ochre Paint Pot. To apply this all over my eyelid, I'm taking my Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this. It's like a really tiny foundation brush, so this is like perfect because this is a creamy product, and therefore you want to use like something which is gonna nicely apply the product, and I really like this one by Sigma. Now in today's video, I'm gonna use this Good as Gold palette from Colourpop, which is a really pretty palette. I don't think I have a playlist on my YouTube channel with all my golden eye looks I've created so far, but if I don't, I will definitely make one and link it down in the description bar. So I'm gonna start with this really soft yellowy orangey color, really pretty. I'm gonna use this to blend it all over in the crease, going back and forth with my brush. The one that I am using is by Morphe brushes. It's the M504. It's like a really big fluffy blending brush, so it's really nice for if you want to blend the color all over in the crease from the inner corner to the outer corner. So I just keep blending, and I add like a few times extra product to really make the color stand out as much as I want. I wanted to make this look as easy as possible, so this is also gonna be the only color that I will be applying in my crease area to make it like super easy. So I just kept blending, and then I went in with this shade, which is like a shimmery golden. If you are not into glitter, you can also only use this shade, and then the eye look is already finished. You can make it as easy as you want, but I'm gonna use it as a base for a glittery eyeshadow, which I'm gonna apply on top. But if I use like a golden glitter, I want to use a shimmery golden eyeshadow underneath, just because I feel like the glitter is gonna look so much better when you use a shimmery eyeshadow underneath. I promise you guys to make a video where I go really in depth on like the best ways to apply glitter, and I'm definitely gonna make it as soon as possible, so don't worry, it's coming. I'm also gonna dedicate a video to how to apply liquid eyeshadow. But now I applied it all over the eyelid, also use my finger, and I'm gonna take this shade which is right next to it in the palette, and I'm gonna use it with my finger as well. I feel like using your finger just gives so much more color payoff. Sometimes when you pack it on with a brush, like a lot of product falls off the brush on your face, it just gets really messy, and I feel like using your finger just makes the whole process a lot easier. And of course, this is an easy look, so I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys, so you can just use your finger for this. So I just added a few more extra layers of it. I really wanted the sparkle to be as as stand out as possible. Then I'm going back in with this shade, and I'm gonna blend it all the way underneath the lower lash line. Since I also blended this in my crease, I also wanted to use it for the lower lash line, so the shade kind of just is everywhere basically. I didn't want it to use like a total different color in the under eye area. I just wanted to keep it more simple. The brush that I'm currently using is the Morphe M506, which is like a really tiny blending brush. It's like perfect for this step. Then now for in the waterline, I'm gonna take this pencil from NYX Cosmetics, which is called Glitzy Gold. I've been using it a few times, I think also in one of my recent golden eye look videos. It's really pretty, and I just feel like it complements the whole eye look. So I'm just applying this in the waterline. It's really creamy, it has a nice color payoff. However, I do have to say, when I apply it, I like to reapply it after the product has dried, so it gets even more pigmented. So now I'm taking my favorite mascara, which is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I use it in all my videos, so this is probably not a surprise anymore that I use that one. And then for my fake lashes, I'm gonna take lashes from my own lash company, which is called Anytude, and the style that I'm using is Sultry. These are like really nice and glamorous and perfect for the holidays. So I'm applying them using my finger, and then I take a tweezer, and I'm gonna press the outer end and the inner corner against my lash line. I'm not applying them like on my natural lashes, but just above it where you would normally apply your eyeliner. Then here you can see the before without any lashes on. and then here you can see the end result with the lashes on. It always makes such a huge difference. I absolutely love it. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I will make sure to put a playlist in the description bar with all my golden eye looks I've filmed so far, just to give you guys some inspiration if you really like golden eyeshadow. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!